Thanks to Brian Repking of Repking Eye Care, Kyle Wollenberg of Wollenberg's Reconditioning.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Kyle with Wollenberg's Reconditioning. We're located here on Main Street in T-Town. We do automotive detailing, spraying and coating, and spraying bed liners. Good luck, guys. Let's go shoes.
Hi guys, Brian Repking here at Repking Eye Care in T-Town. Just want to wish our T-Town Athletics the best of luck this year. At Repking Eye Care, we can help you out with any eye issues you have, whether it's glasses or contacts, or any eye diseases or infections. Contact us at 217-903-4117 or visit our website at repkingeyecare.com.
The Cowboys.
We did. I tell you what, the difference in the game was their second and third chance opportunities at the basket. We let them out rebound us, and it cost us dearly. I thought defensively we did some nice things at times. I mean, we had to gamble at times, which it cost a little bit. But I thought our zone did a good job against them. But then, they took a bad shot, but we don't get a rebound, and then they get the offensive board and put it back up and score. So we've got to work on that. Our rebounding's got to get better, and maybe that comes with the toughness.
Beginning of the game there, turnovers just kind of came fruition what'd you tell the girls in that first time out you called?
We just had to reset. I mean, I think it was 7-0 at that point, 2 buckets, plus 2 buckets. And, they kind of had that look like, oh no. And I thought, we did. Like I said, when we changed defense, that definitely was, that helped. But it seemed like if we did get a stop, then all of a sudden we kind of tried to thread the needle on a couple passes, and then we threw it away. So then we didn't get that opportunity to score. So, and that's kind of tough. It's a little frustrating. They're frustrated a little bit. But I truly believe, Plains is a very good team. They're well coached. Size-wise, they outmatched us there. But honestly, I think that was the difference in the game was the rebounding, and we've got to get better at that. We got it down to 4 in the first half, but then we let them rally out 6 more.
Yeah, that's right.
That's what I'm saying. That's frustrating because, again, that was from offensive boards again. So, that's fixable. We can fix it. So that's good. And like I said, we're going to take some losses, but if we don't learn from them, then...
How do you feel like how you guys guarded Anna Weber?
I thought when we went to the zone, we did a better job, but she still got rebounds. She's the one that caused us problems on the boards. Plus, defensively, she's long. She's get her hands on a lot of the balls and had a lot of, where we thought, we'll make the pass, and we couldn't make it because, she stole it. So we got to adjust to that. That's something in-game adjustments. They have to realize, man, that girl guards well in the post. We can't get it to Malia or whoever we're trying to give it to unless we see full numbers. And we didn't do that. I just think that, I thought Allie Ruhal took the team on her back several times during that game and got to the hole and, just toughed it out. But we've got to be able to get to the hole and also be able to finish. And like I said, I'm keep beating a dead horse, but the rebounding situation killed us tonight.